zeroing in on a pretty interesting new tool. It's called Grow Invoice.
Right, an AI-powered invoicing kit.
Exactly. And we've got a bunch of source material, website info, FAQs, and some really insightful customer testimonials, too.
Good stuff to dig into.
Yeah. Our mission today is really to understand how this thing aims to simplify finances, especially, for creators and small businesses.
That specific focus is interesting, the creator economy space.
It is. And we want to figure out what makes it stand out in, let's face it, a very crowded market. So here's a thought. What if invoicing, getting paid, could actually be rewarding?
Intriguing.
Okay, so let's unpack this first. What is Grow Invoice?
Hmm.
According to the sources, it's an AI-powered invoicing kit that allows you to send invoices and get paid globally.
And they call out their target audience directly.
They do. The creator economy and brave small businesses. Love that phrasing. And it's with fall from India. Also key. Easy to integrate with AI agents.
Okay, so that AI-powered bit and the AI agent integration that jumps out immediately, doesn't it?
It really does. What does that likely mean in practice?
Well, AI-powered suggests more than just automation. We're probably talking about smart suggestions, maybe predicting client details or categorizing things for taxes automatically, learning your habits.
Okay.
And the AI agent's part, well, the sources aren't super specific, but it hints at connecting with other AI tools, right? Maybe your accounting bot or customer service bots all talking to your invoicing. It suggests, a smarter, more connected system.
Right, moving towards something more intelligent. And the core functions seem built for speed. Create professional invoices in seconds, they say. Just fill in details, hit send.
Simple as that, apparently.
And sharing is just as quick. Share via WhatsApp or email with a single click. Instant delivery.
Yeah, and what's fascinating here, I think, is that claim less than 10 seconds to create and share.
That's fast.
It is. And that tackles a huge pain point, right? Admin time. For you listening, think about getting that time back. That's potentially a massive win. Less time on back-end stuff, more time doing your actual work.
Definitely. Now, let's talk global reach. Getting paid from clients everywhere is often a headache. Grow Invoice says you can get paid globally.
And they list specific currencies.
Yeah, except ETH, USDT, INR, USD, whatever works for your clients. So crypto and traditional.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, accepting digital currencies like Ether and Tether alongside, dollars and rupees, that's pretty significant.
How so?
Well, it breaks down barriers for global freelancers or businesses, potentially fewer fees, faster transfers compared to traditional banks sometimes. It just broadens their market reach considerably.
Makes sense.
Although it does raise questions too, right? Like how do they help users manage crypto volatility or navigate different regulations, especially for bigger sums? The sources don't really detail that.
Good point. Something to keep in mind. They also have this gateway page feature. It lets you showcase your offerings with a beautiful storefront.
Sort of like a mini shop linked to invoicing.
Exactly. And the key part is every purchase auto-triggers an invoice.
Ah, okay, so it connects the selling directly to the invoicing. Seamless.
Yeah. And Nikhil D, who's an indie sauce developer, apparently loves it. Called it clean, fast, and it works like magic.
You can see why. It basically turns invoicing from something you do after sale into part of the sales flow itself. Browse, click, pay, invoice generated, cuts out manual steps. Very neat.
Okay, but here's where it gets really interesting, I think. The reward system.
Ah, yes, the GLL ions.
Right. Get rewarded with GLL ions every time you get paid. The sources state every successful payment through Grow Invoice earns you GLL ions.
This is more than just like bonus points, isn't it? It's weaving gamification into finance.
Feels like it.
We've seen loyalty programs work elsewhere, but for getting paid. Could that genuinely change how users feel about the tool? Make it stickier? You're not just invoicing, you're earning something.
And what can you actually do with these ions?
Well, the list is quite practical, actually. AI assistance and automation tools, design and branding resources, premium creator utilities, and access to something called GLL's Creator Toolkit.
So real business tools, not just discounts on coffee mugs.
Exactly. It creates this ongoing value loop. You use the tool, you get paid, you earn rewards that help you do more business.
To give a sample use case, too. A content creator sells coaching, puts their Grow Invoice gateway link in their bio.
Okay.
Client clicks, pays, say, in USDT. Invoice gets auto-generated, and boom, the creator earns GLL ions.
It sounds very smooth. And there's a testimonial from Aishwarya R., a freelance illustrator.
What did she say?
She said, finally, a simple invoicing tool that doesn't tax my income and actually rewards me for getting paid.
That quote really captures it, doesn't it? Rewards me for getting paid.
It really does. Psychologically, that's powerful. It flips the script on a necessary chore, especially when paired with their pricing model. It feels less like a cost center and more like, well, part of your growth toolkit.
Let's talk about that pricing. How does it work? It's pay-as-you-go pricing.
That's simple enough.
And crucially, no commissions, no hidden fees. Just pay for the number of invoices you send.
That seems pretty good for small operations, right? Predictable costs.
Absolutely. For creators or businesses with fluctuating income or just starting out, that transparency is huge. No percentage fees eating into small payments, no surprise charges. You know exactly what each invoice costs you to send.
But what about scale? If you send tons of invoices, could it end up costing more than a flat monthly fee somewhere else? Is there a tipping point? That's the trade-off, potentially. If your volume is consistently very high, a different service with a flat subscription might be cheaper overall. But Grow Invoice's model prioritizes accessibility and fairness during lean periods. You're not paying a big fee if you have a slow month. For their target audience, that flexibility is often more valuable.
Makes sense. Okay, beyond pricing and rewards, what about the practical stuff, the advanced features?
Right, the foundation.
They mentioned customer support 24/7 via chat, email, or phone. That's pretty standard but important.
Essential, really, especially if you hit a payment issue.
Then security and compliance. They say they protect your information with robust data encryption, specifically calling out bank-grade 256-bit SSL encryption.
Non-negotiable these days. Handling financial data demands that level of security. That builds trust.
And finally, tax management. It can automatically compute and apply taxes based on both your location.
That's another big time saver. Tax compliance, especially across different regions or countries, is complex. Automating that calculation reduces errors and stress. So support, security, tax help, these are table stakes, but it sounds like they've covered them.
So putting it all together, what does this mean for you, the listener? Grow Invoice seems to be offering, well, a streamlined approach.
Yeah, focused on simplicity, global reach with crypto options, and that unique rewards thing.
Right. The GLO ions adding
Yeah.
value back. Plus the security, the clear pricing, the support. It feels tailored.
It does. Their tagline sums it up. No bloat, no setup. Just smart invoicing plus GLL Ion rewards, get paid faster, create invoices effortlessly, earn rewards as you grow.
It's a clear pitch.
And the distinct value prop, I think, is trying to make invoicing not just efficient, but actually positive, rewarding, using AI, global payments, and those incentives to be more than just a utility. It wants to be part of your growth engine.
So